It's where then I thought then we could. We hope then you're better. Sandwich. Will they might? I think very happy. I've been there. I hope try on time. I got 3 yesterday. These are the bad. I think they're dead. I ate that. I hope there's enough food. Then I'll come back later. Feel bad. The crowd deserves work. We should leave if they're done. Will they buy any other kids there? I hope this works. I'll give you this now. I want the recipe. Give them to me. Thank you. Wish you good luck. See you. Bye bye.